Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Tuesday remarked that notification by neighbouring states of Nagaland and Mizoram in connection with illegal immigrants may have an impact on Manipur, and accordingly officials have been alerted to prevent entry of any illegal immigrants. Singh was replying to Hornbill TV's question at the sideline of a program. The Chief Minister said Nagaland government has recently issued a notification establishing base year of 1963 for some community and 1940 for one community. Because of that, as a neighbouring state, it may have impact on Manipur. He further said Mizoram government has also informed that those who come in the state after 1951 cannot purchase land in Mizoram. Notification from these two neighbouring states may have impact on Manipur. Nagaland government had recently issued a notification calling for enumeration exercise to be conducted of the people and their direct descendants from Garo, Kuki, Kachari and Mikir, Karbi and Nepali Gorkhas settled in Kohima district. Singh had previously informed on social media that in response to the detection of illegal immigrants in neighbouring states, the government of Manipur has also proactively taken measures to safeguard the state against a potential influx. He said vigilance at key entry points have been heightened, particularly at Mao Gate and Jiribam, to prevent any illegal migration.
He tweeted about illegal immigration related issue in our neighboring states like Nagaland and Mizoram. Sir, you once again asserted the importance of reporting and maintaining all the necessities. What are the steps that we need to take?
You see, Nagaland government has recently issued a notification giving that 19 year is the 1963 for some particular communities and in 1940 for one specific community. So because of that, as a neighboring state, that may impact on us. Similarly in Mizoram, you have seen Mizoram government has also already issued that those who comes after 1951 cannot purchase land in Mizoram. So the operation, the notification issued from these two neighboring states may impact to the state of Manipur. So I simply given my awareness to my officials that please keep alert so that no illegal migrants from the neighboring state or anywhere should not allowed to come inside.
Haryana is for the हरियाणा में अभी क्या हो रहा था कि मतलब जैसा कि जितना जो एग्जिट पोल दिया था उसके बदले में क्या हुआ अभी हाफ मार्क पे वो जो हुआ था हाफ मार्क से ज्यादा अभी लीड कर रहा है. इसमें आपको कैसा लगा जिस तरह का बीजेपी का जो
देखिए बीजेपी जो है बीजेपी इज ऑलवेज वर्किंग विद द पीपल इन द ग्रास रूट. The Congress is working in the creamy layers. That is the difference. Say Modi ji is everything. So under the leadership of Modi ji, impossible को possible बनाता है. So I want to appreciate our leaders who tirelessly working for the nation, and I hope that in Haryana BJP will definitely form the BJP government.
Thank you, sir.